There are a lot of gun safes on the market, but which ones offer the best bang for your buck? Stick around to find out. Gun safes are designed to do several very important things, like holding and organizing your stuff and protecting your belongings from theft and fire. Now, if you happen to swim in piles of money and you want the biggest, baddest, most secure, and fire-resistant safe on the market, it's gonna cost you a measly premium of around 15 grand. That said, most of us don't have that kind of money. So the question is there a way to get a safe with a lot of space, solid security, and good fire protection without taking out an insurance claim on your car that happened to crash into a tree because the Arizona Bigfoot ran you off the road? As a matter of fact, there is. Let's check it out. With its wide body, this safe is going to offer plenty of storage with a host of interior customization options. Also, it has a 12-gauge body, 3-way bolt direction, and 1-inch locking bolts, and it offers 60 minutes of fire protection. As of the end of 2019, the starting price is around $1,800. This AmSec safe boasts an 11-gauge steel body, a 1/4-inch thick plate door, 14 locking bolts, and 90 minutes of fire protection. It also has one of the most flexible interiors in the industry and can hold up to 70 long guns. This safe starts around 2,200 clams. Ah yes, the bestseller in the US for nearly a decade. This all-arounder is wide enough to hold up to 48 long guns, has a 3-in-1 flex interior, features a 2-piece 11-gauge body, 8 1/4-inch locking bars, and it offers 60 minutes of fire protection. As of 2019, the Fat Boy starts around $1,700. Another great list of great savings for great viewers. Thanks for tuning in, guys. As a little present from me to you, I've attached a downloadable list of all the stuff we went over today in the description below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and as always, catch you later.